Yeah!
First step, have the balls to do it. So for the second step, you're going to want to know where to place your back foot. You're going to want to have it hang over the edge a bit so you can really torque the board. Third step is where you're placing your front foot, and you're going to want to place it as close as possible to the trucks, and so it acts like a pivot. For step 4, you're going to want to be using your whole body to swing the board around 180 degrees. Step 5, you're going to want to be really light-footed so that you make it as easy as possible to swing the board around and have the wheels slide. So we'll show you some examples of co-side and stand-up slides, and it's basically the exact same in the switch. You just have to practice riding the switch.
Does it look like I play Street Fighter?